Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. It's already 12 midnight, and since it's midnight, and I have also a midnight snack. I have coffee, I have banana and bread. This one. This is coffee, bread, and banana. May also remind to everyone, since Davao City is parang hindi dili siya normal kay buntag na init, then pagka-alauna or alas 2 sa hapon ulan, na uso karon ang ubo, ang cough, even fever, o careful mo sa dengue ha, kasi parang may dengue karon nga season. Please take good care of yourselves. Please be careful. Take a lot of vitamins, any vitamins. Thank you everyone. Thank you for always following my Facebook Reels. And thank you for the likes and shares of my video clips. And also continue to subscribe my YouTube channel. God bless everyone.